Hi, Valfrenia here. I like to add little surprises to my pieces, so when someone comes to look at it, I can show them these little added pieces of design that add interest to their piece. This one, I have added a little transfer to the back of the door that goes to this piece right here, an end table. These transfers came from Christian Craft Paper, a company I just discovered recently. Real easy to apply, cute little designs, and pretty easy to find a little design that'll go with the style of my piece. I have lots of these kind of tips along with how-to videos and explanations and lists and sort of thing for people that want to learn furniture flipping, the redesign, and marketing. So come take a look at my page and join up when the membership is open. FurnitureFlippingBlueprint.com/pro.